Okay guys, what's up? Welcome to my review of this metal battery cover for the Galaxy Nexus. This is for the GSM version, the i9-250. This will not fit the Verizon version of the Nexus. You can see the back there, fairly standard. Okay, let's just pop the original battery cover off and compare the two. So you can see that the metal one is actually thicker. This is because it's actually a plastic back cover with a metal sheet on top. See, it's just a bit thicker, follows all the same basic curves as the other one. Now it is quite hard to fit because usually when I put the standard battery on, I kind of bend it in to clip those last two little clips down the bottom in. But with the metal you can't do that, so you just kind of have to be careful with it, work around it a bit. And as you'll see in a second, not all of the clips fit on the one I have. I don't know if that's the same with all. Okay, as you can see I've got it on there. Yeah, it does look really good. I would highly recommend it if you want your phone to look unique and different from everyone else. Okay, so you can see fits perfectly when you're looking at it from this distance. We'll cut some macro in a second, we'll show you that it doesn't actually fit that well. Okay, so here you go, here's the macro now. One side of it is absolutely fine, nothing wrong with it at all. As you can see, fits perfectly, a little bit raised at the top there, but that's not too much of a worry. And along the top here. Okay, but this side, most of the clips won't actually go into the holes. So the bottom one, which you'll see in a second, if you know the Nexus, you'll know that that bottom one is kind of hooked and you should slide it in from the top. Now no matter how many times I try, I just couldn't get it to fit in, and it just goes like this the whole way, and then as a result I think the whole side is just raised, as you can see. Pushing down won't get them to clip in, and you can see actually there the metal was actually separating from the plastic a little bit there, which is worrying. Okay, there's the Samsung logo there, and the Google one as well. You can see the metal's got a nice texture to it though. Okay, but here's the real deal breaker with this cover. Now, being metal, you'd expect it to maybe hamper your signal a little bit. It doesn't seem to affect the signal too much. You can see I've got a minus 99 decibels per meter strength there, which at the moment is quite good considering my carrier is having problems. But we'll fire up the GPS test here and you'll see that actually what this metal back does is completely kill your GPS. So as you can see there, it's got 4 satellites in view now, but it can't lock onto them, it can't do anything. You can see there's a signal to noise ratio just underneath those the bar graph there. Oh, it's got 5. It's not even on the scale of anything there. So, you know, if you use GPS at all, you can't use this. It also kills NFC. I can't show you that right now, but trust me, NFC will not work with this. Okay, so we'll just leave it for a while just to see if it can pick up any kind of, there's a flash there as I took a photo, see if it can pick up any kind of signal from these satellites, but no, it's not going to do much. So if you use GPS at all, don't get this. Okay, now let's just compare with the extended battery, so same material as this normal one. This is in exactly the same spot, and as you can see it's just literally a few minutes afterwards. In fact, I've got worse mobile signal with this, but that's nothing to do with the case. That is my carrier. They're having issues with their towers around here. So as you can see straight away, it's got 6, it's got lock on them, there's 7. So we're inside right now. Usually the GPS is quite bad, but you know, it's actually got a lock on them, and then you can see it's thinks I'm going at 1 mile per hour. There you go, it's back to 0. It's got 60 feet accuracy, and it's actually working. So it just proves that the metal back is killing the GPS. So if you have any use for GPS at all, whether it's just tracking where you want to go or maybe for Facebook or something like that, it won't work. Just show you that the GPS is fully functional. You get the time zone as well. There's all the times. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you next time.